I'm Shelby Cullinan with today's health news. At least one case of H5N2 bird flu has appeared in Arkansas, threatening to curb poultry exports and lower prices. Stock prices for the nation's leading poultry producers, including Tyson Foods Inc., Pilgrim's Pride Corp., and Sanderson Farms, have already taken a hit, and the economics don't bode well for an export industry already hit hard by the rising value of the dollar. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Agriculture is looking to impose stricter quarantine regulations in Arkansas that would help to prevent the spread of H5N2, a highly contagious virus that causes internal bleeding in affected birds. The H5N2 bird flu does not affect human health.